Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Mickey Mouse as a ghost to celebrate Halloween. So let's get started. To draw this cute ghost, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw two big ovals. Nice and tall. And then I'm going to come right next to it, about right here, and draw another one. And I'll come in here and shade this all in black. And same thing over here. There. Now that I have my two big ovals in, let's come underneath these eyes and we're going to draw a curve touching the bottom of the oval. So right here, just going to draw this nice curve. Goes right underneath. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's draw another oval, but it's going to be horizontal this time, and we're going to draw the nose. So right under that curve, kind of following that curve I've created, I'm going to draw this really big oval for Mickey's nose. There. And you know what? Let's give this nose a highlight. If it doesn't look right, I'll just go and shade it all in. But for now, let's put in a little highlight and then shade everything else in. There. Okay, so now that we have Mickey's nose, let's give him a big smile. So let's say the center of our nose, let's come out about right here. I'm just going to draw a curve and another curve right here. And then we're going to connect it with a big curve for a big smile for Mickey. And then at the bottom right here, I'm just going to go ahead and just draw another curve. And then shade this all in black again, just so you can see it a little bit better for the mouth. Then underneath this mouth, I'm just going to very lightly just draw a curve. There. So now that we're done with Mickey's face, let's go ahead and let's frame it. So we're going to come, let's see here. I'm just going to say about right here, like where the mouth is. I'll come out, give myself a point. Same thing here, just approximate. And I'm going to draw this big upside down U. So it's just going to be a little bit straighter right here. And it's going to go around. It's a nice big dome over the head, eyes, and then come right back down. There. From there, before I forget, let's just draw a soft curve over each eye. Then I'm going to bring this down a little bit more. And here as well. I'm just flaring it out a tiny bit as we come down. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the ears. So I'm going to come to the sides right here, and then we're going to draw a big circle. So let's come about right here and just draw these big Mickey ears. So definitely turn your paper or your body if you need to. Whatever helps to draw this big circle. It comes right about there. And then let's do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to drag a point across. So make sure I'm approximately the same size. And once again, nice big ears. And bring it right back. There. And then we'll go ahead and shade this in as well. Now that we're done with the ears, finally, let's go ahead and we're going to draw a hand. So right about here, I'm going to come out, so kind of like where the mouth is. Let's come right here, and this hand is going to be holding a basket. So I'm just going to come right here and simplify it and just round it off and bring it in. And because I'm using a pencil and can't erase, I'm going to draw the basket first. So I'm going to put a handle right here. But if you're using a pencil, you can go ahead and just draw the ghost body first. I'm going to stop right here and just draw a curve right where the hand is. And then I'll connect it to draw a little pumpkin basket for our candy. And then to draw our pumpkin. I'm going to come out. And then towards the bottom, we're just going to give it some ridges. So let's say just maybe 1 and 2 to separate it and simplify it. There. And then of course this is a Mickey basket, right? Mickey pumpkin. So we're going to come right here and draw another pumpkin. Just give it maybe 3 ridges and bring it in. And same thing here for the ears. 2 and 3. I'll come in here lightly, just put in some curves. So we know it's a pumpkin, and then you put in some ridges here as well. There. And then in this space right here, let's put in some eyes. I'm going to come right here and draw another oval, but I'm going to come in here and just knock it out with another oval. So let's come right here, drawing an oval, and then come in as if you're drawing another oval. And then in between the ovals, let's draw a nose. So another big oval for the nose, and then a big smile. So that's 2 curves, and let's go ahead and connect it once again. And a smile, widen it up. And there. And then inside right here, if you like, let's add some candy, right? So put whatever you like. So I'll just simplify mine and add circles here and there, perhaps some other kinds of candy. Just fill in this space. Maybe a lollipop. Another one, and just want to fill in this space. There. Okay, so and then I'll come in here and just stick in this band for our handle. There. So hopefully that helps. You can add some patterns in there if you like. So now that we're done with the pumpkin, let's go ahead and finish the pumpkin basket. Let's go ahead and finish the body of our ghost. So let's flare this out. And say about right here. I'm just going to flare it out a little bit. And same thing here. So let's bring this down. And now that we're pretty even, I'm going to go ahead and just round it off. And give it a little ruffle towards the bottom. Nice and simple. And connect. There. And then of course we need to draw the other hand. So say about right here. Let's go ahead and bring this up. A little wave, and that is pretty much it for this drawing of this Mickey Mouse ghost. I really hope you found that was fun and easy to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if I've inspired you today, please give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.